Nice to meet you.
How are you?
My name is Kenji Ojima.
Okay, welcome to Sao Paulo.
Let's go.
This way.
How long does it take from here to hotel?
It depends on the traffic, but around 30 minutes, 40 minutes maximum.
Okay. Hi. Wonderful. This one? これから3、40分。小島です。ようやく、日本、アメリカ、ヒューストン経由でブラジル・サンパウロに到着しました。今からちょっとチェックが終わったんでお部屋に入ります。よっと。こんな感じのお部屋なんですね。ちょっと内側が今のような感じで、どうもお疲れ様です。こっちで仕事すると寝るな。こんな感じですか。こっちでやらないようにした方がいいね。こっちでやっても寝るかもしれないけど、ようやくちょっと到着して、でこの後お昼ご飯のランチミーティングがあって、でその後今日夜にもうすぐ公演があるんで、それのちょっと準備をします。カプチーノ飲みます。サンパウロの街です。日差し結構強いです。だいぶ焼けました、顔が。
Align office, Sao Paulo Brazil.
Headquarters.
Yes.
Headquarters of the Brazil. With the NATO.
My dear friend Kenji.
Yes.
Very happy to have here.
How long does it take from here to?
5 minutes. Most.
Very close.
Yeah, very close. 7時半から8時半までみたいです。今日は。I'm going to present you and then 8:25 to 9:25.
It's okay. Let's go. 洗いに行きます。
Third time you here in Brazil, right, Kenji?
No, fifth. Fifth.
Oh yeah.
Yes, initially yes.
With well clinic.
Yeah. Well clinic, and after that is yes. This is the fifth times. Now I understood why I stay in this hotel.
Perfeito. Obrigado.
Tchau. Obrigado. アラインテクノロジー、ラテンアメリカの本社ビルに今入ってます。
This is the 50th floor, where we have the clinical support, education, and clinic and customer support.
Customer support education. Let's go. Go in.
So we have part of the team working here.
Wow.
That's in below.
Hola.
And when you want to
Okay.
have a chat with someone, you can go like this box.
Chat box.
Yeah.
Can I?
Yeah, of course.
Like this? Yes. チャッティングボックス。ああ、すごい集中できる。これはいい。集中できるな。This is good for the concentration.
Yeah, this is good. So Kenji,
Yes.
this is the best clinical support team
In the world.
Yeah, I would say yes, it is.
Great works.
They're amazing.
Beautiful.
So they help the doctors to understand and do the better planning.
Yeah,
They are all dentists or orthodontists, all of them.
exactly. So high qualities, right?
High quality service, yeah.
So like Renato. So many of the ladies work in the line.
Yes.
That is good. Same as Japan too.
Yeah.
What is this?
Yes, you can sit and you can eat or make your meetings here.
Wonderful. I like it. Sometime meeting here.
Yeah, would you like meetings?
Good.
Sometimes we eat.
いい環境ですね。とてもいい環境。
We have, some small rooms as well for ITERO training.
ITEL training.
Yes. So we train doctors here. In
Ah.
So we do remote calls with the doctors to do the training.
Wonderful. It's a focus just now.
Yeah.
Okay.
I think we should now get.
Let's get alive. すごい。いいね。
Vamos tirar foto dele aqui. Let me take a picture from
Okay.
here with the team. Let me show you something, Kenji.
Okay.
Now this is your responsibilities.
Good works.
And you,
Hold on. Very cool hair.
you, como é que se diz? Você pega a mesa, you have to book. You need to book a table
Okay.
by app and then you work. So it's everything is here. This is Livia from my team as well.
Nice to meet
Hi.
you.
Livia from
It's a
education.
pleasure to have you
Me
here.
too.
Great to see
This is
you.
a manager for GP education.
Yes.
Great works.
Thank you.
Thank you. Obrigado.
Just like you can have lunch. This is from a clinical support team as well.
Wonderful job. This is like a Starbucks.
Starbucks, yes, you can go here and grab a coffee.
Wonderful. Now is how many? 300? Oh,
Here?
chatting.
Yes, another one.
Chatting.
Quantos empregados tem aqui?
Do escritório?
面白い。ほら。
Now it's 200.
ほら。Me and Chris to the call.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. すごい。
Vamos tirar uma foto aqui, homem, com ele. Você também. Grava. Tira uma foto. Kenji, let's take a picture here.
Yeah. Very nice.
Depois que você quer.
Segura que vai, consegue?
We are online.
Ele tá fazendo vídeo. Vamos lá. Aqui é só o vídeo então. Aí.
Renato. Hey. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay.
Over all these years, and I just want to thank you for this friendship and belief.
Então eu tive o privilégio de ficar uma semana trancado numa salinha, olhando tudo.
This is very important article. So the Vincenzo, my friend, is a University of Roma, is published on the 2020 JCO article. Obrigado.
As you know, the aligner you prefer is Invisalign. Why do you choose to treat with Invisalign?
The most important thing is a lot of the education for the chance
and a lot of the evidence because the client experience is very short, very less. But using for the Invisalign is already many of the orthodontists create a lot. A lot of Invisalign is the best solution.
Perfect. And do you believe that? Why do you think that Invisalign also is the best?
It's not good. I never use it because Align technology is very important thing is education. This time is same, right?
Yeah.
I come to here, then share to my experience. Then so many of the doctor have education, experience, then good treatment.
めっちゃでかいね。2200人入ってるところで、一番でかいカンファレンスルームでお会いすることになりました。なかなか音響いいです。間もなく始まります。After that, I quit. 始まります。やります。ハロー。Kenji Ojima, please.
Right, it's precisely to the movement. It's depends on it depends on graces. Sometimes too much expansion, sometimes not good control, but the digital aligner is more safe.
Finally, we made it. We made it. We made it. Congrats. Congrats on a wonderful making. Photos? Okay. You too. It was amazing. Nothing. Obrigado.